Simple cartoon fish drawing, step by step 1. Draw the body shape start with an oval shape tilted slightly sideways, like a lemon. This forms the main body of the fish. 2. Add the tail draw, a V shape at the back of the oval, for the tail fin. 3. Fins. Add a curved triangle on top, dorsal fin. Add a small fin near the bottom, pelvic fin. Optional, add a side fin near the front, pectoral fin. Face details. Draw a large round eye near the front of the body. Add a smile or a small curved line for the mouth. 5. Scales and texture, optional. Lightly sketch curved lines or small U shapes for scales. Add a line running from the head to the tail to represent the lateral line. 6. Color it. In use, bright, fun colors for a cartoon style, or muted natural tones for realism. Want to draw realistic fish? If you're interested in a more lifelike fish, here's how to move forward. Study fish anatomy.